Today, my dear children, आज हम बहुत ही एक healthy dish बनाने वाले हैं. We need to have a bowl of sprouts. They are really very healthy and they are full of protein. And first we are going to add, some sprouts in it. So here are the sprouts. I'm adding it in my bowl. Okay. So parents, let them do all the steps on their own. This is going to help them improve their fine motor. Let them learn how to hold the spoon properly. This will give them, an exercise. Okay, now next I'm going to take some cucumber. Yes. Now I have a spoon full of cucumber which I'm adding in my bowl. Now after adding the cucumber, I'm going to add tomatoes. Yes, now I'm going to add tomatoes. Here comes my 2 spoons full of tomatoes. Come on, all of you, add. So now I'm going to add, 2 spoons full of carrots to my super bowl. Mix them well. Okay? What is going to be next? What is this now? Lemon! Yes. So now we are going to add some lemon juice. Okay. Now again mix it well. Mix it well. Yes. Slowly. Mix all the healthy vegetables that we have added in our super protein salad bowl. We are going to sprinkle some salt. Okay, not much, little bit of it. What should be the next step now? Who's going to tell me?
Eat.
Yes. Come on, you can have a spoonful and let's enjoy eating our, super protein salad. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's really very tasty and it is also very healthy. Yes. This is